Hi, it's Malcolm from Acrospray. You've seen me unbox this in the previous video. So this is a short video series of things to note about this vac. If you're wondering what the bin bag looking thing is, it's a disposable bag. It does show you on the front how to fit it, but I'm going to show you how it says in the book while it's all in German. So unclip it, remove the lid, and all you need to do is pop the bag in, and it says that there's lots of little holes all along it. The holes need to be inside the tub. So I'll just fold it all the way in, Take your time with it. And then once you're happy with it, you can just replace the lid, making sure not to rip it. Use the vac, and then when you come to, you're finished with it, you can remove it and then use the attached cable tie, zip tie it up and dispose of the bag.